Hi there, it's Virginia Nebel. Thank you for dropping by the Scrapbooking Cards Today blog. I'm here to share with you a very fun box folding technique that's going to create this 12 Days of Christmas countdown project. Let's start by folding the top half of the box, which is the lid. Take a 7x7 piece of cardstock. If it's textured, just flip it over so you're on the B side, and using a ruler and pencil, by matching up the opposite corners, we're going to mark the center point of the square. Now we're going to fold in each of the corners to this center point, and making sure that you use a bone folder or the tip of your fingers and really crease along that folded edge for a crisp edge. The next step is we're going to fold the corners again, but we're going to fold the corners up to that crease line that we created in the previous folding step. We're going to repeat that same folding step for all four corners, and again using a bone folder just to really make sure that we have some nice crisp folds. Open your square back up, and you should see in the center a approximately 2.5 by 2.5 inch square, and that is the base dimension of your box. We're going to cut with scissors along the scored lines, and I'm marking visually for you in pencil where those cuts should be. After we've made those cuts, we're now going to fold our box, and this is really where the magic happens. As you see, I'm folding in the bottom and top sides in, and then I'm just bringing in the little ears on the left and right side, and then using the left and right flaps, and we're just going to fold everything together. The great thing about this folding technique is that you really don't need adhesive for the box to really feel secure. All you really need is to make sure you have your bone folder and really make sure those folds are nice and crisp and secure. And you can even use the tip of your bone folder just to run it along the inside edge of your box. And there you have it. You've just created the top half of your box. And then we repeat the same process for the bottom half. And this time we just use a slightly smaller starting square. So we made the lid with a 7-inch square, and now to create the bottom, we're going to use a 6 3/4 inch square. Well, friends, was that not the easiest box ever? So to create this tree project, you'll need to make 12 boxes in total. To create the foundation of the tree, you glue the lids together to make a tree shape. The possibilities are endless. In my project, I've used the really fun collection Rosie's Studio Oh Joyful Day, and the numbers are the Spellbinder Stitch It number. I hope this inspires you to create a jolly tree of your own. Thanks for tuning in and have a wonderful day. Bye.